Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download the AliExpress app on your smartphone. AliExpress is a popular online shopping platform where you can find great deals on a variety of products. It's a very simple download process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And head over to your app store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. Here I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now type in AliExpress and search for it. You'll see the AliExpress app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. It should have this logo. Once you have found the app, you can see the install button next to the app icon if you are using an Android, or a get button if you are using an iPhone. Tap on it to download the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. Here you can see the open button. Tap on it to launch the app. Select your country over here and tap on continue. And there you go, you've successfully downloaded the AliExpress app on your phone. You can now log in with your account or create a new one if you don't have any. And you are ready to explore the app and do the shopping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.